Hey guys, what's happening? Here's a Bell router extender. I'm gonna do an unboxing video of it. My internet is very slow, so I'm excited to get this. Of course it's Bell. Nice little design. Nothing on the back. Random information on the side. Nothing else really? Nope. Just capsule Wi-Fi. So, let's open it up. It was never wrapped. I don't know why. Excuse me. A second. Okay. Let's see. What do we got here? The get start. Hang on. Focus camera. Hang on. I'm gonna get the camera to focus. Anyway, it says, get started. Make sure to read enclosed safety and search. Here, just pause this if you want to read it. Okay. Here it is, I'm assuming. Put this aside. See if there's anything else in here, because there gotta be a wire or something. No? Hang on. I guess there is nothing else. 1 second. Yeah, I guess there's nothing else in here, so here it is. I guess this just plugs in the wall. Thanks for watching, I guess. Yeah.